You wouldn't be a successful business today if you weren't already riding the wave of video. But is your current video missing something? Your voice, your brand, your story? You just haven't found the right video production company that's as passionate about making videos as you are about your business. Hi, I'm Marcy Klein, the CEO and Emmy-winning television director at Klein Creative Media. We tell stories with video, stills, and drones for businesses like yours who want to stand apart from their competition. We create custom explainers, introductory videos, executive messaging, and product launches, even ship launches, using our secret ingredient, inspiration. And we get our inspiration from the ocean, here in the South Bay, where we have a fleet of drones and a video production studio just a few blocks from the surf break. We are willing to travel nationwide with our cruising gear to accommodate your videos. I spent over 20 years working as a reality television director on shows like Dr. Phil, Inside Edition, and E! Entertainment Television, honing my story skills while always making time to surf. Being in the ocean is like diving into creativity. It's where I write my client scripts in my head, long before my hands ever reach a computer keyboard. Inspiration from nature, paired with Hollywood know-how, translates into a unique customer experience and quality video that captures the essence of your brand. On time, on target, and on budget. We've reopened during the COVID pandemic by participating in the Safe in the South Bay program, and we follow the Directors Guild of America guidelines for safe production. Klein Creative Media brings a fresh vibe to your business videos that you may not get from an overwhelmed marketing department or big ad agency. We love to collaborate, and we play nicely with others. Plus, I will personally guide and coach you through the intimidating process of being on camera. Your business is as unique as the footprint in the sand. Your videos should be too. What's your story? Let us tell it for you.